Welcome back to DIY University by Sally Beauty. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a salon-perfect manicure in the comfort of your own home. This is going to save you time and it's going to save you money. Let's get started. For this, you're going to need some tools. Also, the secret tool, a cleanup brush. Now remember, this video is a great guide, but always remember to check the instructions on the tools you're using. I'm going to use a cuticle softener. To get started, you want to begin with clean, dry nails, and then go ahead and let that soften for about a minute or two. Next, you're gonna take your cuticle pusher. You can use a wooden stick if you prefer, but I'm using a metal cuticle pusher because it's super easy to clean up with rubbing alcohol or acetone. Then just scrape away any cuticle that's stuck to your nail plate. Don't be harsh with this because remember, this is live skin around here. Use a cuticle trimmer like this and just very carefully just remove any little pieces of skin. Take a lint-free wipe and acetone. Then just cleanse the nail plate so that you don't have any leftover cuticle remover, oil, or debris. Now's the time you want to make sure that you like the shape of your nails. I hate them. I'm gonna keep mine pretty square because that's what I like, but obviously shape your nails how you like to. Next, it's time to go into the color coat, but before we do that, we need to prep our nails with base coat. You can apply a base coat to help protect your natural nails against staining, and it can help your manicure last longer. Base coats come in all sorts of formulas. I really like to use a sticky base coat because this acts as an adhesive, which actually can grab the polish you put over top and help your manicure last longer. Give your base coat some time to dry. Now that your base coat is on, it's time for the color coat. Today we're going to be using OPI. This is called Bubble Bath. Then when you place the brush down on your nail, I like to do it right below the cuticle, push the polish up, and then just pull down. And then take it along the sides of the nail like that. And then you can finish with one more stroke down the middle, and whatever polish you have left on your brush, just run it across the free edge. And don't worry, right now it may look streaky. The first coat is not the best, but we're gonna perfect it with the second coat. You're gonna want to let the second coat totally dry. This oftentimes needs a little more time. I usually give it 5 to 10 minutes. If you happen to get any polish in here, you can use a wooden stick just to remove any of that product. And even better, the secret sauce, in my opinion, to a salon quality like manicure is a cleanup brush. We talked about this in our nail kit essentials video, so make sure you go check that out. But this is just a double-ended eyeshadow brush, and this one is angled. So you can dip it into acetone and just really clean up the nails. Now that your polish has totally dried, it's time to apply top coat. And then you're gonna wanna finish with a cuticle oil. This can rehydrate the skin around your nails and give you a salon quality finish. So now that we finished one finger, we just gotta do that on all of our fingers. And then a pro tip is to leave your thumbs for last. That way, if you get any product around your fingers, you can always use your thumbs to just clean it right on up. Some tips for applying polish with your non-dominant hand are apply the polish even lower down onto your nail and push the brush up into your cuticle. That way you're not starting higher than you need to and risking flooding your nails. And to give your manicure a gel-like finish, apply a second coat of top coat. This is just going to make it look a little bit thicker as if it were a gel manicure. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to watch more DIY University videos by Sally Beauty, make sure to subscribe and check out these videos here. There's something you're gonna love.